PERCH is the only tool holder that goes click. More than twice the weight of the competition, but theirs doesn't go click, which says a lot. PERCH's revolutionary click technology sets it apart from the rest. Because when your tools go click, you know they're secured. Engineering the click sound wasn't easy. It's taken our engineers hundreds of iterations to perfect the fit. A technology so revolutionary is awarded a US patent. So don't fall for imposters. If your tools don't go click, they aren't safe from total annihilation. So don't hesitate, get yours today. Because PERCH, it makes the click sound.